I carry out this definite integral. So, we're going to let u be the part that's on the inside, like usual. So u is going to be ln of x, and then du just the not the root, just what's inside the root. Then du dx is 1 over x. Multiply both sides by dx. Cancels. So du is 1 over x dx. So let's rewrite this integral. This becomes the integral of dx over x square root of u. Okay, now I can rewrite that. It's the integral of that's u to the minus a half power, 1 over x dx. Is that okay? Because that squared u in the bottom, that's negative a half power, right? Root on the bottom, and then 1 over x dx. And then you can see what I'm going to do. This 1 over x dx, 1 over x dx, that's du. That's just du. So this becomes the integral of u to the minus a half du. All right, now it's antiderivative time. So do the antiderivative. Right, that's what these operators, the integral and the du, say to do. Do the antiderivative. How do you do that? Well, you add 1 to the power. That'll be positive half. And then you multiply by the upside down. You could divide by a half, but it's easier to multiply by the upside down. It's the same effect. That's 2 over 1, or just 2 times u to the half. That's 2 square root of u. And that's 2 square root. And what was u all along? U was ln x right there, right? U is ln x. So it's 2 square root ln x. Now we've got to plug in the bounds. Having done all that work, don't forget to do the bounds. And what are the bounds? I'm going to leave the 2 sitting in front. The bounds are between 1 and e to the third. 1 and e to the third. So this is 2 will sit in the front. We'll have the square root of ln of e to the third minus the square root of ln of 1. Right? I plugged in the top bound and then the bottom bound with a minus in between. So what is that? Well, um, the ln and the e cancel, and this is just the square root of 3. And the ln of 1 is 0. So this is just 2 square root of 3. If you're not sure about that, you can go to Desmos to see that the ln of e just cancels out. And it's just 3, and it's in a root, so root 3. So the answer is 2 root 3. So there we go.